Workers' compensation for self-employed and independent contractors. Workers' compensation programs provide crucial financial support to workers who suffer injuries on the job. While these benefits are typically available to employees, self-employed individuals and independent contractors often face challenges in accessing workers' comp coverage. Can independent contractors get workers' comp in Colorado? Understanding workers' compensation eligibility is vital for independent contractors and self-employed individuals in Colorado. The state's workers' compensation system is designed to cover all employees, regardless of whether they work full-time or part-time and receive an hourly wage or salary. However, the program does not extend its benefits to independent contractors and the self-employed under Colorado law. Colorado law defines an independent contractor as someone who exercises control over their service performance and engages in a profession, trade, or occupation related to the services provided. As long as independent contractors have not been misclassified, they are exempt from workers' comp coverage. Additionally, certain other exemptions exist, such as for workers who perform less than $2,000 per year in repair work for a business, commission-based real estate agents and brokers, and railway workers covered under federal law. It is crucial to confirm your proper classification as an employee or independent contractor to ensure you receive the appropriate benefits. If you believe you have been misclassified, especially if you sustain a work-related injury, it is important to explore your eligibility for workers' comp benefits. Do self-employed individuals need to purchase workers' comp insurance? Under Colorado law, employers with at least one employee are required to obtain workers' compensation insurance. If you are self-employed and have one or more employees working for you, excluding yourself, it is mandatory to purchase workers' comp insurance. Sole proprietors, corporate officers, and members of limited liability companies may also be exempt from purchasing workers' comp insurance. Nevertheless, it may be prudent to voluntarily opt into the program to comply with contractual requirements or safeguard yourself against personal liability for medical expenses and lost wages resulting from work-related injuries. Obtaining coverage for work injuries as an independent contractor or sole proprietor. Securing financial compensation for work-related injuries can be challenging for independent contractors and sole proprietors who lack workers' compensation insurance. However, there may be an alternative avenue for compensation through third-party insurance claims or personal injury lawsuits. Pursuing a third-party liability claim allows you to seek coverage from the responsible party's insurance company for medical bills and lost wages resulting from a work-related injury. In a personal injury lawsuit, you would need to establish proof of fault or negligence to recover compensation. If you are self-employed or working as an independent contractor in Denver and sustain an injury or illness, it is advisable to consult with a workers' comp lawyer. Conclusion. While workers' compensation benefits traditionally apply to employees rather than independent contractors and self-employed individuals, it is essential for those working in Denver to understand their options for coverage and compensation in the event of work-related injuries. Independent contractors and the self-employed are generally not eligible for workers' comp in Colorado unless they have been misclassified. Confirming your proper classification and exploring alternative avenues for coverage is crucial. Self-employed individuals with one or more employees must purchase workers' compensation insurance to comply with the law. However, if you have no employees, the purchase of workers' comp insurance is not mandatory. Consider the potential benefits of voluntary coverage to fulfill contractual obligations and protect yourself from personal liability. If you lack workers' comp insurance and sustain a work-related injury, options for obtaining compensation may be limited. Explore the possibility of pursuing third-party insurance claims or personal injury lawsuits. In all cases, seeking guidance from a personal injury lawyer is recommended. Remember, understanding your rights and available options as a self-employed individual or independent contractor in Denver is crucial for protecting your financial well-being in case of work-related accidents or illnesses.